Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a quick review of Later. You see, Later claims to power the creators economy. It's for influencer marketing, social media management and award-winning services for brands and for creators. Now, it is the #1 influencer marketing platform. You have to discover, recruit, schedule, publish. In fact, it has so many good things, and you can book a demo if you want to learn more. And you can also have I think there's a free plan you can do for about 7 days, I believe. Okay, 14 days. So let's get started with the review. You see, Later is a popular social media management tool, particularly favored for its visual planning capabilities and ease of use, especially for platforms like Instagram. Its drag and drop calendar makes scheduling intuitive, and features like the link in bio tool and hashtag suggestions are quite valuable for content creators and businesses. The platform also offers a media library for organizing assets and basic analytics to track performances. However, some users find that latest features can be more limited compared to some competitors, particularly concerning in-depth analytics and integration with a wider range of social media platforms beyond the most popular ones. The mobile app has also been mentioned as occasionally glitchy. Yeah, it's occasionally glitchy. While the free plan is a good starting point, the more comprehensive features requires you having a paid subscription, which some users feel can be a bit pricey for the value offered. It's mostly Instagram, as you can see. Additionally, auto-publishing for certain content formats or platforms can have limitations due to social media network API restrictions. But despite this point, Later remains a solid choice for visually planning and scheduling social media content, making the process much more manageable for many users. So that's the end of our review.